Hello, my name is Josh Chen, and you can call me Roy. I come from China. I'm currently studying Master of International Business at Wollongong University. I choose this subject is because I think the importance of the international business is greater than ever as companies around the world become better connected. Students like me need to develop a global mindset in order to be successful in business. Studying international business allows me to see how globalization has brought about an increase in connectedness of businesses, markets, and people across countries. My strength is that my studies have given me the opportunity to achieve the knowledge and the skills in collaborating with top students across the world. It also provides me the practical capabilities in marketing and management roles. With with 1.5 year of the study in Sydney of postgraduate degree in business, I have learned to conduct across various of cultures, languages, and teamwork. And I also have 3 years working experiences of procurement position in a Japanese company before I came to Australia. The reason that I'm interested in working for Woolworths is because its reputation in the market, the good culture, the opportunities for career progression. Woolworths is a diverse organization with the employees from different cultures and different backgrounds. It represents a slice of Australia, I, which I know that they're saying 1 in 60 Australians work for Woolworths. And Woolworths Limited is committed to diversity in the workplace that reflect the local communities within which work environment that ensures equal opportunities for all the employees. So I'm looking for a long-term career, a casual job that I can learn technical skills, which I think Woolworths Limited is able to provide. Well, as I said, that I used to have a job in procurement. I was responsible for purchasing all the raw materials for the company to ensure the operation of the manufacturing process. At that time, after every accounting period each year, I have to prepare a report of the total cost with the comparison of the historical data. And I also need to provide a budget for next year. And in addition, the analysis of the capability of the current suppliers is also required. So I have to collect the orders that I made for the whole year and put the numbers together to work all the total. And I also need to divided them by different projects to make sure it can be easily seen that which projects have made profit and which haven't. So for the suppliers part, I have held meetings to see the main suppliers in person and ask for their budgets, if possible, for the next period. And all the results, all the data that I collected, I have to put them into Excel and make the charts for the users to make sure that the results can be easily observed. And at last, I also made an English version of the report for the parent company overseas. So within the 3 years of the procurement job, I was the client of my suppliers, and I totally understand the needs of a client. I used to get involved into the contract with the client of my company. We are manufacturing and selling machines, so that every contract contains a list of materials. My clients provide the specific brands they prefer, but usually they are using the historical data for the list, and the parts on the list is not the best option. Then what I do is that after I receive the contract, I provide two different quotations. One for the original list, and the other one is for the best substitutes. And because the alternative that I provide always reduce the total cost, but maintain the function, the clients usually are happy to consider the new list and make a change for the old one. I have two questions for the workers. The first one is that how many people work in this department that I applied for? And the second one is that is reallocation a possibility in the future?